someone has a lot of things going on in their mind, it's because they have a really busy subconscious, right? And a busy subconscious comes from having a lot of information that is not processed and understood, or you have a lot of unresolved emotional experiences from the past that haven't been dealt with. So what I would work on is to really go into your subconscious and start working on those things. You know, really look at your life and see what are the things in the past that I haven't dealt with that potentially could be bothering me, and that link, that thing I told the girl to Google, you know, look up, like share a tool there, all of it, and don't feel bad about this because everybody's got baggage. If you only saw what is in my subconscious, I got tons of trash in there that I'm still working to clear out, right? So work on that. The more unresolved emotional experiences you have in your subconscious, the more chatter that happens. And also gaining clarity, right? Once you're really clear about something, then there's very little chatter. And a lot of chatter happens in the subconscious because there's an overabundance of information that hasn't been processed and digested and understood. Yeah. So try and gain, besides doing the exercise to clear the unresolved stuff, try and gain more clarity on different areas of your life. Maybe in your work or your relationships and whatever else you do. Try and narrow down and say like, okay, I finally figured out, you know, I prefer playing volleyball instead of knitting. Maybe you can decide. And when you can't decide between two things, then it creates the chatter.